Welcome back, guys. So in our previous videos we have successfully set up our Java environment. Then we have installed IntelliJ IDE. So in this video we are going to write our first Java program. So now I have opened the IntelliJ IDE. First of all, we have to create a new project. For that we can go to this file and you can see this new, then project. Click this project. Okay, so after click this project, this interface will appear. Then click next. Okay, in here we can get a template code. It means the main method. If we tick this one, so we can tick it and click next. Okay, here we can give a project name for our project. So let's give a name for it. First Java program, right? Then we can choose the location that we want to save our project. Okay, so I give a location, right. Then we can click finish to create our project. Also we can use this window, get a new window. I'll use this window. Okay, our project has been created. Right, in this source files we can see the main class. So in this, actually this is the main class. So in this main class we can see this main method. So actually what is this class? Class is like a blueprint. Okay, in a class we can see many methods to perform a specific task. So in this class we can see this public word. This is actually an access modifier. We call them as access modifiers. Actually in future videos we will talk about it. For now I briefly explain it. Public is an access modifier, and this we can use this class keyword to create classes, and this main is the name of this class. Okay, then this is the main method. So method is actually a block of codes that we can perform a specific task. Okay, so actually main method is very special method because we cannot run any Java program without a main method. Actually if we want to run a Java program, then the JVM, actually Java Virtual Machine, looks for this main method to run. Okay, so in here we can see the access modifier public, then static, and the void is the return type, and the main is string args. So in this main method we can write our code. Okay, so for that, so since this is our first program, let's simply print something. Okay, so for that we have to use this statement system.out.println. Okay, just let's type it, system.out.println. Okay, this is the statement that we can give out print. You can give any messages in Java. Okay, right. So in these brackets we can open double quotations and give our message, hello world. Right, hello world. Right, so from this statement we can print something. Right, let's see whether our code is working. For that you can right click and click this run main, or you can use this button also. Like, right, let's see whether it is working. Yeah, it's working. Here we can see our output, hello world. Right, okay, so we have to remember, actually look at this, this class name. This class name that consists this main method should be similar to the file name. Okay, this is the class name also main, and our file name also main. right? So actually we can create many methods in our program, and if we want to call them or perform the tasks in that method, we have to call them in the main method. Okay, if you want to, we can actually create objects, instances, we can do it in main method. So these things we will discuss in future videos. So get in touch with my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. So if you have any concerns or problems, you can comment them, put them in the comment section, and if you want any videos, you can put them in the comment section and I'll give you it. So, and if at last I will tell you one another thing. So to get this statement, I actually type it now. So without typing, we can get it in shortcut. So we can simply type SOUT and press enter. See, we got the same thing. And here also we can write something, hello Java, right? Now we can run this again and see the output. Here we should get two outputs, hello world and hello Java. Let's see. Yeah, we got two outputs, right? The today video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and get in touch with my channel. So take care guys, have a nice day.